Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin holds above $68,000 following de-escalation signals from the Middle East, while quantum computing threats and new regulations reshape the crypto landscape. Australia becomes the first nation to pass comprehensive crypto platform licensing, and Coinbase's Base network outlines ambitious plans for 2026. President Trump announced the Iran war could end within 2 to 3 weeks, triggering a rally across global markets. Bitcoin climbed to around $68,500, up over 3% in 24 hours, while Ethereum rose more than 4% to approximately $2,100. The announcement provided relief from geopolitical tensions that had pushed oil prices up nearly 60%. Asian stocks surged 4%, and S&P 500 futures jumped significantly. Google's quantum computing research has accelerated concerns about cryptocurrency security. The company's quantum AI team published findings showing quantum computers could break Bitcoin's elliptic curve cryptography with fewer than 500,000 physical qubits, dramatically lower than previous estimates. Research suggests a fast clock quantum computer could derive a Bitcoin private key from an exposed public key in approximately 9 minutes, creating a potential 1-minute vulnerability window. Justin Drake, an Ethereum Foundation researcher, now places at least a 10% probability that quantum computers could recover private keys by 2032. Approximately 6.9 million Bitcoin in early wallets remain vulnerable to such attacks. Australia passed the Corporations Amendment Digital Assets Framework Bill on April 1st, establishing the country's first comprehensive regulatory framework for digital assets. The legislation requires crypto exchanges and custody providers to obtain Australian financial services licenses from ASIC within 6 months. The law creates 2 regulated categories: digital asset platforms holding crypto on behalf of users, and tokenized custody platforms holding real-world assets with corresponding digital tokens. Both must comply with core rules, including safeguarding customer assets, providing standardized disclosures, and maintaining dispute resolution systems. Coinbase's Base Layer 2 network announced its 2026 strategy focused on building a global on-chain economy across 3 key areas: tokenized markets, stablecoin-based payments, and developer growth. Quantum-resistant cryptocurrency tokens surged dramatically following Google's research announcement, with quantum-resistant Ledger jumping 50%, Cellframe gaining 40%, and Abelian rising 25% in 24 hours. The quantum-resistant category increased market capitalization by 8% to $4.66 billion. Forex startup OpenFX raised $94 million in series funding led by Accel, Lightspeed Faction, and Pantera, valuing the company at approximately $500 million. The company bridges traditional banking and digital assets to enable faster cross-border foreign exchange conversions using stablecoins. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.